The Kojeva Lymphatic Face Brush is honestly one of the most effective and thoughtfully designed skincare tools I've ever added to my daily routine. And after consistent use, it has become something I genuinely look forward to using every morning and evening because of how refreshed, sculpted, and balanced my face feels afterward. From the first touch, the brush feels incredibly soft and gentle, with high-quality bristles that glide effortlessly over the skin without causing any pulling, scratching, or irritation, which makes it perfectly suitable even for sensitive or reactive skin types. What makes this brush truly stand out is how effectively it supports lymphatic drainage. Within minutes of use, my face looks less puffy, especially around the jawline, cheeks, and under-eye area, and there's an immediate sense of lightness and relaxation that carries through the rest of the day. Over time, I've noticed that my facial contours appear more defined and lifted, giving my skin a naturally toned look that doesn't rely on makeup or invasive treatments. The brushing motion promotes circulation beautifully, leaving my skin with a healthy, natural glow while also helping reduce tension that I didn't even realize I was holding in my face. Another huge benefit is how much better my skincare products absorb after using the brush. Serums and moisturizers sink in faster and feel more effective, which has noticeably improved the overall texture and smoothness of my skin. The brush itself feels durable, well-constructed, and comfortable to hold, making it easy to control pressure and movement during use. Whether I'm focusing on gentle strokes across my cheeks or deeper stimulation along the neck and jaw. I also love that it fits seamlessly into a busy schedule, as it takes only a few minutes per session yet delivers visible results that build with consistency. Beyond the physical results, the Kojeva Lymphatic Face Brush has introduced a calming, self-care element to my routine, turning a simple skincare step into a relaxing ritual that helps me unwind and feel more connected to my body. With continued use, my skin looks more energized, smoother, and healthier overall, and the reduction in facial swelling has given my face a more rested, youthful appearance. This brush offers an effortless, natural way to enhance facial wellness without discomfort, mess, or complicated techniques, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve circulation, reduce puffiness, define facial features, and elevate their skincare routine with a tool that actually delivers consistent, noticeable results.